Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix when our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices is not showing the thumbnails of our files or photos. So for that, we will just be following a very easy and simple command. So please do finish watching this video till the very end. The very first thing we need to do is to go and open the control panel. To do that, simply go to your Windows search tab and there type control, and you will get the control panel options under the best match. Now once you click on that, you will be opening this kind of window here. We have the all control panel items. So if you're not getting the same kind of window, all you need to do is just to go to this view by option, select the large icons option, and then once you have done that, please look for the file explorer option. This one, file explorer option, customize the display of files and folders. Now once you click on that or make a left click on that, you will get this file explorer options window coming up. All you need to do is just to go to the view tab here. Since we have general, view, and search tab, please proceed with the view tab, and under the advanced settings you will get the very first option, which is always show icons, never thumbnails. So please make sure that you have deselected or unselected this one. Please leave this unchecked, and if you have seen that this is checked, then just simply make a tap on that one so that it won't be selected, and then click on apply and click on OK, and close this window. Check your file explorer again if it still not showing the thumbnails, and if that process did not work, then let's just go back again to that window. So let me just search again control panel, and we will be deselecting or unselecting again that option. So again, deselect or unselect again this option, and then click on apply, click on OK, and just make a quick restart with your device. See now if the problem is already fixed. See if the file explorer or your Windows is now showing thumbnails in your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.